Hi, my name is Jerry Love, creator of the Get Ripped Workout DVD series and the Get Ripped Bootcamp program. You know, if you're looking to firm and tone over the holidays, search no more. Check us out. We offer 36 amazing bootcamp classes. Not only that, find out how you can get $250 worth of free stuff by joining our challenge. Check out the link below and sign up today.
Hello, my name is Jerry Love, creator of the award-winning workout DVD series Get Ripped and the Get Ripped workout here, offered in Calgary's premier private health club, Fitness Plus. You know, the hardest thing about getting fit is getting started. You don't have to be great to get going, but you have to get going to be great. We are a family-run service-based company that's been helping Calgarians reach their health and fitness goals for 30 years. And all for less than $2 a day. At Fitness Plus, $2 a day includes everything in our full-service facility. A pool, hot tub, racquetball, squash, juice bar, daycare, and more. As a member at Fitness Plus, you'll have full access to our amazing Get Ripped program, as well as our Rip Ride classes, as well as yoga, Zumba, Pilates, and more. Our certified personal training team provides customized programming, on-the-floor training, nutritional counseling, and fitness assessments. In the fitness assessments, we will discover together exactly where you are so we can get you to exactly where you want to be. Personal training at our competitors can cost $8,000 to $10,000 a year. At Fitness Plus, we believe that personal training should be available and affordable for everyone. There are no cookie-cutter programs here. Our team strives for unique personalized service for each and every workout for each of our valued members. The daycare is open during peak hours because we know that being busy and being a parent means needing that little bit of help, which is also the reason that our daycare is only $2 for 2 hours. Get the help you need at the prices you can afford. Remember, you are priority here. Come and have fun. At Fitness Plus, we specialize in weight loss, muscle toning, and muscle building. Our mission is to provide the facilities, the guidance, and the information at an affordable price to enable each of our members to improve their lives and to reach their health and their fitness goals. Fitness Plus is a facility where our members feel like they're part of our community of people working together to encourage and to support each other in their journey to improve health and fitness. Listen, we are so confident that you'll love our club that we have an exclusive online offer to try the club risk-free for 1 week. What have you got to lose? Sign up at www.fitnesspluscalgary.ca and join us on Facebook. What are you waiting for? Call today.